still happens. And again, my foot is on the brake. The car is in drive. And I can end up rolling backwards while it's doing that. Now it's done. We're gonna plug in and do it again. Woohoo! Alright, finished charging again. You know, what is your problem? Shut up. Done charging. Unplug car. Yep. Yeah, pay your 1 penny for charging. Great. Get in car. Turn car on. Foot on brake. Yes, good. Plug in seatbelt because we're going so far so quickly. Back up. Back up safely, turning and looking. Put car in drive. Point car uphill. Press brakes. Car starts shaking. Really? Oh! We even squeaked the tires there. Hi there. Are we done already? Oh, no, not quite. Oh, come on. It would be my favorite if we could go backwards right here and now. Especially with a Porsche behind us. That would be great. No, are we done already? I guess we're done for now. Back in my parking spot. We'll see start to finish. Plug in, unplug, and see how easy this is to test. Charging started. Sorry for the shaking camera. I left the car on. That'll make this even longer, huh? Done charging. Two whole cents. Step into car, turn car on, press brake, etc. Yes, watch out, pedestrian. Only God knows where this car is going. Stop. Start shaking. Ka-chunk, ka-chunk. Are we gonna go forwards? Oh no, we're gonna bump 3 times and then go into gear. Man, we are shaking. Clunk, 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 clunk. I don't know if we can see the wheels from here, but... Oh, we made it. We went backwards that time. Oh, are we going forwards? We're going forwards in reverse. Oh, that's so cool. There we go. Backwards. We're done. And it will take, what, 3 minutes to do it again?